So Aurora just announced earnings and it wasn't good. I think the Canadian market is just switching back from the legal market to the black market because products are too damn expensive right now. They People might say, "Oh, it's the not enough retail stores in Toronto." I really don't think that's a scenario. I think that consumers are looking at these producers and they are be like, this product is too expensive. I'm going back to my black market. The hype is over and the cannabis market is right now in a survival stage, especially for the smaller players because the sales are not panning out to what people expected. It's a lot weaker. I think ultimately Aurora will be okay, but right now the stock is selling off pretty damn hard. So Aurora just announced earnings, and it was disappointing. It's disappointing. I kind of figured, but let's look at some of the positives. Okay, let's look at some of the positives. So the gross margins were 58%. That was pretty good. $53.7 million. They announced plans to settle the March 2020 5% convertible debenture. Let's look at some of the positive. They brought down their cost to produce to 85 cents per gram. Their net cannabis revenue was 70.8 million, so it was 24.6 million less than last quarter. Then the wholesale cannabis revenue declined 19%. The medical cannabis revenue of $30.5 million, an increase in 3% substantially. So yeah, medical cannabis is up. Yeah, medical cannabis. Well, that's actually pretty good because medical cannabis is the margins on it a lot higher than the margins on regular cannabis. But the consumer demand has declined 33%. That is pretty bad. I did my research. I thought Aurora was selling well, but I was wrong. And the consumer cannabis net revenue was $30 million. It was the same as the medical cannabis revenue. They are achieving the same amount of revenue from the Canadian to the medical, but they're selling a lot more on the Canadian consumer rec because they're selling because there's more people, but they're also taking a lot less gross profit too. But hey, a medical patients increase from to 91,000. Aurora has approximately 91,408 active registered patients, which is very good because medical patients, their cards expire, so people are basically voluntarily trying to re-sign back up to these license to Aurora. So that's good. But still, it doesn't matter. Okay. Let's talk about the convertible debenture. March up 5. So I don't understand what this means, but it's right here. Aurora has secured the commitment of investors holding approximately 155 million of principal value at 5% March 2020 convertible debenture to voluntarily convert their debenture under a temporary amendment early conversion privilege. Under this contemplate transaction, all remaining holders of the March convertible debentures will be granted an opportunity for a period of time at a price of 6% discount to a 5-day volume weight average to convert their debentures. Any holders not exercising the early conversion privileges will remain holders of the original debentures that have a 5% coupon 13.05 conversion price that matures on March 9th 2020. I don't understand that exactly, but I'm thinking that they are converting it at these prices that they are right now at, what is it? I think $5 or $4. I think so. I don't know. Can someone please explain that to me? I don't get this. I don't get this convertible debenture. I don't understand it. If someone can explain to me, that would be great. Aurora, down. Well, that's not too bad. It was down a little bit more than that. Down 14 cents. Oh, no, there you go. 9.31 cents to $2.98. Ooh, Aurora's on sale. Patience is paying off. I might be able to load up all my original Aurora shares once it goes back to, $2, because that's the direction Aurora stock is heading at. It's heading back to its 2017 level around $2. It creates a buying opportunity of a lifetime again, in my opinion. So, but somebody might argue and tell me that this company there's some serious problems with this company and it's gonna go bankrupt. I don't think it will, but please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. It's not looking too good. The people I know who have ton of Aurora shares are probably gonna not be too happy about this. But hey, they chose that lifestyle, so it's a little too late for that now. So let's look at the actual finances. This is on Sedar. This got released. They have a total of $195.7 million. According to this, I believe that they talked about the Aurora Nordic and the Aurora Sun. They have shut down the project, so they don't have to spend the cash to continue the construction. They probably don't need the Aurora Sun facility, so that's why they have it pre-built, so it's enclosed. But they're only using 6 flower rooms, which is about 238,000 square feet. So they're not using all of the Aurora Sun facility, but so it helps them conserve some cash. $80 million plus 110, so $190 million they're saving by not building out this facility. But Aurora is lacking. The one big thing Aurora is lacking is money. They are lacking money in the ability to grow the company, unless people decide to buy their product and exclusively their product. I think Aurora is going to head down a lot lower than this. So prepare for a massive sale in the near future, because Aurora stock is heading to new all-time lows. So you don't look forward. Yeah, it's not going to be pretty. But hey, that's the way life is. It sucks. But that's it. It sucks. Anyways, Canopy got dragged down by Aurora. Oh wait, yeah, that's right. Supreme Cannabis announced earnings. They increased their revenue by $6 million in a fully rec market, versus when they were not in a fully rec market, they were making $5.14 million. So that is, in my opinion, pretty bad that the revenue increase was not that great. Let's look at the revenue. I didn't look at Aurora's revenue. Let's look at that. $83 million of revenue that quarter. Gross revenue was 85. So $42 million, $42.5 million of net revenues of 75. So that's about 58%. That's correct. The total operational expenses was $331 million, and they lost $77 million from operations. The net income was $10 million. Yay! I don't know how they got a net income of $10 million. Hold on, let me just think about this. Maybe it was the acquisition, the selling of T-God stock. Foreign exchange, other income net, $127 million. This could be note 17. That could be T-God. That could sell maybe. I have no idea. There must be more than just T-God there. But they came out with net revenue $10 million. Hey, it's better than losing $400 million on Canopy, right? It's still horrible. Still horrible. Like I said, I expected Aurora to have disappointing earnings, and it kind of did. So it sucks. But that is life at the moment. Life sucks. Better get used to it. It's gonna suck for way. Look, Canopy's not plummeting any further. That's shocking. Maybe Aurora is. Maybe this is the bottom. Maybe Aurora is gonna bounce back. Who knows? We'll see. Maybe management can flip this around in earnings. Kronos Group down another 17 cents after hours. Afria down to 420. That's funny. 420. Oh no, 427. 424. Sorry. Tilray down 7 cents after hours. Yeah, so it's just not looking good across the board. Today the market was trading sideways, not really doing too much. SoftBank $1 billion investment in Wirecard didn't come from its Vision Fund. Okay. Beyond Meat is down. No, trading sideways. Been trading sideways for quite a while. It's been like a good week that it's been trading sideways. I wonder if it's gonna pop some anytime soon. Or it could continue the further decline. Let's look at the charts. Let's see what charts have to tell me. Oh, it's looking like it's bullish. Looking like it's bullish. It looks like it's bottom and it's starting to grind its way back up. That's what it looks like. You know, and you never know what's gonna really happen. But maybe I might buy a call option on Beyond Meat tomorrow. Think about it. Nvidia had earnings today and the stock is down 94 cents. Disney stock is down today. I'm so happy I sold out of my Disney position and call option. I still have my 25 call options of Disney at 150 that expires on December 20th. I'm hoping that there is going to be some news next week saying, oh, we double our subscribers from 10 to 20 million and the stock will go to 155. I'm hoping. I don't know if that's the scenario, but I know if they do increase the subscriber base to 20 million users next week, I think Disney stock could head up to $155. But again, you know, I don't know for sure. So, anyways, Uber is $125.99. Does it shock me? No, it doesn't. There was talks about this guy who sold $711 million. I kind of expected that. So he's rich. He's almost a billionaire. Organigram. Oh, I already talked about Organigram. How's Organigram doing? I was down a penny. I'm shocked. Organigram did really well today. I was surprised. Like they pre-announced earnings and it was horrible, and then the stock didn't fall off the map. It just bounced back, which I'm shocked. I'm shocked that people still really believe in this company, willing to buy the stock back up. Liberal Health Science. Well, I guess I didn't listen to the earnings report, so I can't really comment on that. Liberal Health Science is you know, good price. I'm hoping it drops some more because I could pick up some at 40 cents. Ianthus down to $1.71. They are having earnings on November 20th. I don't think they'll be cash flow positive. I think this could go down a little bit further. Madman stock $1.34. Not too much to say about that. Kira Leaf is up today. 27 cents, 3.95%. That's good. Looks very bullish. But again, didn't Kira Leaf just have a big unlock? So I don't know. True Eve. Did I already talk about True Eve? Well, True Eve traded sideways today. Not too much to say about that. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. You probably don't enjoy this content, but But anyways, give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye.